Hi students, today I am explaining about the substances are three types depending upon the light travel through it. So those are transparent substances, translucent substances, opaque substances. Before knowing this, I will show three types of papers to you. This is a colorless polythene cover and this is oily paper, and third one is it's a ordinary paper. Now I will show these three types of substance to which substance it belongs, whether it is transparent or translucent or opaque substance, to which substance it belongs. And also I am writing the word WORD. I will say why I wrote this word. Okay, now we will go for explanation for the transparent substances. For this, I am taking polythene cover. This one. This is colorless polythene cover which having in our houses. So now I kept this polythene cover before this word. What we observe after keeping this polythene cover? So we are clearly seen to this word. This is because this polythene cover allow most of the light to pass through it. That's why we are clearly seen to this word. Such type of substances are called transparent substances, and this colorless polythene cover comes under the example transparent substances. Now I will say the definition for you. Transparent substances is these substances allow most of the light to pass through it. So we are able to see clearly through this substance. Example is colorless polythene cover. This is the example for transparent substance. Next, I am explaining to translucent substance. For that, I am taking oily paper that I showed you already. So this is the oily paper. How I prepared is just I take ordinary paper and I pour oil on it. Like that I prepared. So I am keeping this oily paper before this word. Now what we observe? We are able to see but not clearly to this word. This is because this oily paper allow only some part of the light to pass through it. That's why we are able to see but not clearly through this substance. Such type of substance are called translucent substance. And the example is oily paper. Just I pour oil on it. That's it. Like that I prepared this oily paper. Now again I am saying the definition of this translucent substance. These substances allow only some part of the light to pass through it. Only some part of the light to pass through it. So, we are able to see but not clearly through these substances. Example is oily paper. Right, next, opaque substance. I am explaining opaque substance. For that, I am taking ordinary paper like that A4 sheet. So, I kept this ordinary paper before this word. Before this word. What we observe? We cannot see to this word. This is because this paper do not allow the light to pass through it. That's why we cannot see through these substances. Such type of substances are called opaque substances, and this ordinary paper comes under the example of opaque substances. Now, the definition of this opaque substance is, these substances do not allow the light to pass through it. So, we cannot see through these substances. Example, paper, like this. Right, this is about the 3 types of substances depending upon the light travels through it. So, here first, transparent substance, example is colorless polythene cover. Translucent substance, example is oily paper that I showed you. Next, opaque substance, example is paper. Now, I will show some other examples that we see whether it belongs to which substance. This is glass. Now, we will see this is which type of substance. If I keep here this one, then we are able to see clearly to this word. That's why it comes under transparent substance, means this glass material comes under transparent substance. So, next I am taking wood scale like this, wood substances like this. So, I kept this before this word. What we observe? We cannot see to this word. This means it is which type of substance? This is opaque substance. Now I think you understand very clearly. If you understand, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Those who are subscribed already, thanks to all of them.